see a hand. Get up. Show us your hand. Get up. You're under arrest for the murder of Carlos Escobar.
No, eat over
He's
here.
still half asleep.
Shouldn't your
And
bone over
wondering
there.
how this all happened to him in the last 35 seconds. And that's the ideal circumstance.
Morning, Donner. Get dressed.
As Kenda sizes up his suspect, he uncovers another important clue.
Your shoes, Donner?
For a guy that works only occasionally, making an investment in shoes, there's a reason. We go out to the dumpster.